Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Silverado, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2019. If you need to find where the fuse for the OBD port is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, engine lights, fuses, all that stuff guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing these videos absolutely free. Now guys, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs, so please check them out, and they can save you quite a bit of money now or in the future. So for the OBD port guys, which fuse we need to check specifically, we'll demonstrate on this generation Chevy Silverado. Guys, 9 out of 10 people do not know how many hidden fuse boxes are in that generation Chevy truck. We'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Silverado. Go ahead and open guys the driver door. Here on the side of the dash you see that cover, it pulls, just pull it out. Behind it you'll find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you will lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Now guys, quick thing, if you need to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time guys, we're going to put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out, that way do not waste money and time. So now, some people call it data link connector, OBD port or diagnostics port, but practically that fuse that we'll talk about will be the same guys, okay, for all three things. Now make sure to stay until the end. We want to give you one good advice, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Here if you have 2014 through 2016 model, you have that fuse box layout here, and the fuse guys that we're talking about that we need to check is fuse number 25. It's that double fuse right here, it's a special fuse guys. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Now if you have a 2017 through 2019 model, it will be exactly the same location again guys. We're talking about fuse number 25 that you will need to check specifically. That's for OBD port, data link connector, or also known as diagnostics port. Now guys, you have all kind of different fuses and relays in that Chevy Silverado. You have different fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. And one time we needed a replacement one, we couldn't get one, we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. So what we do now, we always get some spare fuses, relays, keep them in the glove box for a peace of mind guys, that way you do not get stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.